What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super exciting video for you guys. Today we have this beautiful C8 Corvette in the shop, and as you guys have heard, it sounds incredible. But we're not just done yet. We're about to install a full Fabspeed exhaust with some beautiful carbon fiber tips, and we're gonna turn this beast into a monster. So stay tuned. We got Robert in the car right now, putting it in service mode. We're gonna go ahead and lift up the car and go ahead and get started.
Okay, so I gotta take off the two rear tires, gotta remove the bumper, and then we'll have access to the exhaust.
We have a little bit of a problem. If you guys can see in these two bolts, or in my hand, we have these two bolts. Robert, tell me what happened.
This stripped out, bro. They got
Just say it with your chest.
they got f***ed up, bro.
So as soon as Robert started removing them, he was saying that it was just way too hard, and he knew as soon as he started removing them, they were gonna get straight. But basically, I don't know if you can zoom in on this. If you guys see this one right here, you can see all of that whole entire metal thing is stripped. So luckily we're able to get new studs. The bad side, or the bad news, is that none of the dealerships close to us have them in stock, so we're not able to run them out, or we're not able to run over there to grab them. We'll have these two little studs here tomorrow morning. So Robert's gonna finish up mounting up the valves on the exhaust, and then we can't put anything back on until we get these two little studs right here. So we'll get them in the morning. We're also going to get a new exhaust gasket, which is this piece right here. And then once we got all that back in stock, we can throw back on the exhaust, throw on the bumper, throw on the wheels, and then we'll show you guys what the finished product sounds like. So lucky for you guys, I'm not gonna keep you waiting that long. We actually have another Z06 right outside. Robert, where's the key? Shafe took the key, Shafe put the key back. So we got to get the key, but we'll go ahead and do a little cold start for you. It's not 100% cold, but at least that way you'll get a gist of what this is going to sound like. So we actually didn't do the exhaust on this Z06. However, we did do the Vossen wheels. Those are some forged Vossen wheels with the center lock look. Another company did the exhaust on this, but we're just going to go ahead. We're going to hit the lock button, and then we're going to hit this button twice. And that's what it sounds like. So we are going to take some pictures and do some rollers with this right now. You guys won't see this on camera, but if you want to see more of it, check out our other social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We'll probably also post this on YouTube Shorts. So go ahead, check that out. You'll see the rollers of this vehicle there. Found ourselves in a little bit of a predicament. If you guys zoom in on this, you'll notice that this is a snapped screw. And this was pretty much the piece that we were gonna use to rethread the screws on the actual catalytic converters. So I'll have Edgar zoom in right over there. So this kind of went in a little bit sideways, and we noticed that it was going in sideways. So when we started putting it in reverse to take it out, it snapped. So now we're gonna go and call in a favor and see if we can get a little bit of help with this. So without further ado, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on and show you guys what the cold start sounds like. God damn. That's just crazy. The car sounds absolutely insane. This thing is loud. It will definitely piss off your neighbors if you are revving it early in the morning doing a cold start. If you guys come and take a closer look, just look at how beautiful these carbon fiber tips are. This exhaust, again, is from Fabspeed. I believe it's about a 3.5 or 4 inch exhaust pipe. And you got, of course, the 4 exhausts. Super beautiful with that flat plane engine. So you guys just heard what the Fabspeed exhaust sounds like. Beautiful Z06 Corvette finished in that rapid blue. We did also protect the full front end as well as tint the full vehicle. And then we got that chameleon windshield film on the front end. This car is looking absolutely beautiful, and it is also sounding incredible. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let us know what you guys think about this Fabspeed exhaust. Is it worth it? Is it worth the money? Would you guys have left it stock, or is it worth it to get an aftermarket exhaust on these things? But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.